Hello my friends, today I'm going to try to pick for you this Master Lock number 140 single pin picket. I'm going to pick it really quick if I can here for you. Here's the bitting on the key. Try to get this on camera for you here. Here's my tension tool. Shove it in there, show you it's all locked up. And here we go. By the way, I'm using this a standard hook. Right now I'm just feeling for the back to where the pins start. And there we go, there's where they start. Now I'll pick it for you, and there you go. Try to do that again for you here. I'll show you it's locked up. There you go. Sorry you didn't catch that on camera. I'll try that again for you. There you are, 3 times in a row. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.